Now it's time to start doing some airbrushing. Just a little bit of info on what I got. Not an expert at airbrushing. This is a Posh. I've got a box here. It's a H series, relatively cheap, like 50-60 bucks off Amazon. And so I'll be using that single action. So that means it just shoots when the paint just kind of comes out there, and you have to adjust it with the little nozzle here. Besides that, I've got a little hose, and then I put an adapter on it, and then a pressure regulator, and then this is a filter, and then this goes back to a big air compressor that I'm actually borrowing. So filter and then regulator, because the pressure coming off of that's a little uncertain, and then that goes up to here, and then a little cleaning pot that I'll use to clean it out, and then we'll do some airbrushing. So got the piece here, so I'm going to do it on the side where it'll be the most obvious. And this is a pearl color that I found. I thought that would be kind of moon-like, kind of reflective, and yeah, I don't know, thought it seemed good, so went with that. I'll try it here on this red side. Did a couple little tests on the box, and then now I'm going to try it on the real thing. Let's see how this goes. Gotta make sure that it's actually able to siphon the paint out. And there it goes. I'm gonna go real light. Maybe a little lighter. So if we do that, it should be a little less paint coming out. Oh, it's definitely coming up kind of thick. Need to maybe go a little thinner. Ooh, that's nice and reflective. And it's definitely adding some kind of shiny, kind of that moon look to it. So here where the red is, it's not going to cover real well. This is the just painted a couple of times, and then here's the primed and painted. Oh yeah, looking good. So that real shiny undercoat from the white helps this top coat look even shinier. Here's another quick comparison. This is 3D printed and airbrushed. Here's painted with white, 3 coats of white gloss, and then airbrushed. And then here's filler primer, 3 coats of white, 3 coats of filler primer, 3 coats of white, and then airbrushed. And so you can see the difference there between just kind of painted with many coats of paint, and then painted with primer and several coats of paint. And you can see how shiny that is. It definitely gives a nice effect.